To configure schedules in Axxon Next, go to Options tab and select Time Schedules from the list. Time schedule is a set of time intervals, during which, recording to an archive, macro commands, and role permissions can be set up. To create a schedule, click on the Create field, and enter the name for it. A schedule is now added to the list. To set the interval's start time, double-click on the From field. Set the time using the adjustment buttons. Set the interval's end time in the field, too. Select the days of the week, on which the schedule will be active, by clicking on their checkboxes. It is possible to set the different time intervals within the single schedule. Current time schedule includes intervals from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekdays, and 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on weekends. The diagram displays intervals for each day of the week. Click on the Apply button to save the time schedule. To delete a time interval from the schedule, click this button. And save the changes by clicking on the Apply button. Configuration of time schedule is now complete.